Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your PHP project on cPanel. First, you have to go to the cPanel. You have to log into your cPanel. Here I can see currently I'm logged in to my cPanel. Then you have to go for the section called files. Here you can see. And then you have to go for the file manager. So click here, file manager. I already have a project here. So I'm going to delete all of them. Folder is empty. So we are going to upload our project here. So we'll click here, upload. And here we are going to drag and drop our project. So let's go to the project directory, and here restaurant is my project. Here I can see restaurant.zip 100% uploaded. Now we go back to the root folder, and here we are going to extract it. So click here, extract. Now this zip file is empty, so we are going to delete this, and we have this folder now. Now we go inside this folder, and here you can see we have all the files. Select all of them, click here, move, and move them to the root directory, and that is public_html. Now here we have restaurant folder, and this is empty, so we are going to delete this. I have database with my project. Here you can see I have the SQL file. Now we have to upload this SQL file. Okay, let's go back to the cPanel homepage. Here you can see, and here you have to go for the database section. Here you can see databases, and then you have to click here, manage my database. So open it in a new tab, and here you have to give it a name. So this is my domain name basically. You will find your domain name, then underscore, then your database name. So I will say here my database name, and my database name is restaurant. So I'll say restaurant. Okay, you have to remove the space from here. Okay, now we click create database. Now go back, and this is my restaurant database. Here you can see. Now we have to go back to the cPanel homepage once again. And here we had option here under databases section, and that is called PHP So open it in a new tab. Okay, and here you can see we have this database unipixel restaurant, and here we have to import the .sql file we have. Here you can see. Now we'll click here import, and we'll select the file. So we're going to go to the project directory, on project, then this restaurant _db SQL. Okay, so imported successfully. Here you can see. Now we have to go back to the file manager. Here you can see, and here we have a file called db.php. So this I have created this basically for the connection purpose. So I'm going to edit it now because I have changed my database name. Right, when I created this project, it was in localhost, so I had a name here. You can see restaurant_db, but currently I'm on cPanel. Here you can see I have a different database name, and that is unipixel, my domain name underscore the project name restaurant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to this name. Okay, this is database name. So I'm going to copy this from here, copy, and I'm going to add it here. So here you can see server is localhost, so we don't have to change the server because server is also localhost. Here you can see. And so basically we have to create user here. So unipixel username would be let's admin, password would be let's say 12, or maybe we can actually copy this. Okay, unipixel underscore unipixel 123, let's say, and here also we are going to use unipixel 123. And now we'll create user. Here we go, and go back, and here you can see now we have added our username. Here you can see current user unipixel admin. So we are going to copy this, and we are going to go to the db.php we have created for the connection. So here we are going to give it give here the username, and our password is underscore 123. Now we'll save it. We're going to go to the unipixel.com, and here you can see this is our project. Now we can actually go for the login and registration process. You can register, and you can go for the login also. Okay, and in the database we have existing data also. If I go to the users, here you can see we have existing data. Now if I log into the account, let's say email will be yamin@gmail.com, right? Yeah, yamin@gmail.com, yamin@gmail.com, password 123, login. Here we go. This is our project. So that's it, guys. I have shown you how you can host your PHP project on cPanel. So I have shown you the database process also. How you can add your existing database to the cPanel. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.